Now we start. How was your day in your office?
My day was good. Tell me about you. Yeah,
Okay. Would you like to take some tea or coffee?
I would like to take some tea.
Okay, I prepared. Now it's prepared. This is your tea here. Would you like to take some cookies and biscuits?
No, no, it's okay.
Okay. So my dear husband, I want to talk with you. It's urgent because it's about my future. So give me your precious time, please.
Okay, tell me what do you want.
Okay. Actually, I want to do some jobs. I want to do jobs, and actually, I saw an advertisement in the newspaper. So, what do you think? I should do the job or not?
Do you want to go outside and do job?
Yes, yes.
Are you in your senses? You
Yeah,
don't know. You don't know our family rituals and tradition. You said me this thing in front of me, but next time don't talk in front of your in-laws because you know their nature very well.
my dear, you know what is the time going on? This is a modern time, and you have to change your family mentality, and as well as yours.
No, it's not about family mentality. You are not a man. I am a man and I have faced a lot of people daily. And I can judge the people easily, judge a man easily by looking at their eyes. Because you don't know, the society is not good for the woman.
I know very well you are worried about me. In fact, recently the case of Kolkata, but I'm not a child. I can completely take care of myself. So how can you say that these types of typical things? You have to change your mindset, please.
I know you are not a child, but you don't know the intention of the people, na? There are so many evil eyes in front of you, and all the men are not equal. Maybe they have not good intention towards you. So I will not allow you to go outside and do job.
How long will I stay at home? When you go to the office, I feel bored. In fact, I am irritated. I irritated. Um, I'm too much irritated at staying at home, and I finally decide I do my job, and you have to take decision from me.
No, if you feel bored at home, there are lot of things to do. You can give the tuition classes to the
I have
children,
already
and
done. I have
you can
already
stitch
done.
clothes also.
No, I can't do it. I want to become a new lady, modern lady. So the
My
next
money is not enough for you. Tell me one thing.
firstly, I will tell you, when you go to the office, I do self study at home, and finally I face the interview and I clear it.
Okay,
So
tell me one thing. My money is not enough for you. Am I not provide you good luxurious life and the basic
I,
things?
I didn't want much more money, and I didn't want a luxury life. I want to do myself something new.
डिडंट की जगह डोंट यूज कीजिए डोंट वांट डोंट वांट
No, no, I will not allow you. Sorry. And you know, my parents also will not allow you to go outside and do job. If you want to earn money, there are lot of things at home you can do, and with the help of these things, you can earn money also. So there is no need to go outside.
I'll manage all household work and children. I will manage each and everything. Try to understand.
You know, we have a little daughter. She needs you.
No,
If
she
you
has
go
grown up.
office,
Now she is a 3 years old, and she does her all work very nicely. And my job, listen, firstly, you listen to me. My job timing is 9 o'clock, and her school start at 8 o'clock. So then I leave her to school, and I think her departure time is 3 o'clock, and my job ends on 2 o'clock. So then I will manage each and everything. So how can you say that?
You know, my parents are very old. If you go to office, who will take care of them?
I know your parents is also my responsibility as well as yours. My and you know what's the value of the money? You
Okay,
know,
you have to give me a time, a 1 day time. I will talk to my parents and then I will inform you.
I'm not married with your parents.
Okay, okay, I will allow you, but you have to take
Very
proper care when you go outside.
well. Has the power.
Okay, okay, I will allow you. Listen,
And
the safety is in your hand. You have to
and
take
if
care.
and a porter or maybe servant, and if she takes a 10,000, 20,000 money, so you have to pay 10,000, and I have also paid 10,000, so we will manage both.
ये होगा कि I can also
Okay,
pay
if
ना,
you are
I can also pay 10,000.
Yeah, I can also pay half.
okay, if you are ready to manage all the things, so you will allow to do job, but take care of one thing. You don't be frank with the male colleagues and don't talk too much. Okay, you have to do your work very carefully.
Okay, okay. I Okay, I'll manage all things, and thanks for your decision. Thank you
Okay,
for thinking about me.
मतलब पति को डर लगता है कि
okay.
पत्नी का चक्कर चल जाएगा यही है
ऐसा होता है ना ज्यादातर।
यस यस गुड वेरी अच्छा बोला आप लोगों ने ग्रामर एरर ना के बराबर था दो तीन जगह थे छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स बाकी अच्छा
Okay,
बोला
sir.
बहुत
Thank
अच्छा
you.
ओके सर।
आप दोनों को यूट्यूब पर आने में ऐतराज तो नहीं कभी अगर रैपिड फायर करना हो
नहीं नहीं सर।
नहीं sir, अब नहीं लग रहा
नो
इतना,
प्रॉब्लम।
पहले लग रहा था, अब नहीं है.
ठीक है तो यूट्यूब पे आपका वीडियो भी डाला
Okay.
जा सकता है ठीक है